How to enable or disable allow friend requests from contacts only in Game Center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, we tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Game Center. Next, we go down to the Friends section and tap on Friend Requests. In here, tap on Allow Requests from Contacts Only. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. When you turn this on, we only allow people from your contacts to send you friend requests. And that's it. After that, tap on the Done button and then swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.